Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a video that my partner recorded for you. It's a very nice cake, so maybe if you're stuck at home as well right now, you can bake your way through this crisis with this recipe. It's a very kind of traditional recipe, so I think all your grandparents and parents will love it. It has chocolate, it has coffee, it has some hazelnuts. Very, very nice. So let's get started. First off, you want to go ahead and brew some coffee. Then you want to take some butter in a bowl and you want to add the sugar to that. And now you want to go ahead and mix that really well. So this will take a couple of minutes depending on which temperature your butter has. So this should be room temperature for it to really work out well. As soon as you have a nice mixture, you want to add in your eggs one by one and keep mixing in between. In another bowl, you want to take your flour. You want to add in the cocoa powder, as well as some baking soda. And you want to mix that together as well. And now you want to go ahead and add in some of the flour mixture and some of the coffee until everything is combined with the butter mixture. Then you want to spread your dough on a baking sheet with some baking paper, and you want to make sure it is spread out evenly, and you want to bake that with 140 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. While this is cooling down afterwards, you want to take your cream and you want to whisk it until it gets nice and stiff. Then you want to take your vanilla extract, and I completely forgot what the other thingy is called in English, but it will be listed down below as well. It's another kind of cream, and you want to mix that together and then carefully mix it in with your whipped cream. When you're done with that, you want to put that onto your dough. And again, you want to spread it out evenly. And you want to make sure your dough is cold for that, because otherwise it will not work. Next up, you want to take another little bit of butter and your hazelnuts and the powdered sugar. And then you want to mix that together until you have like little crumbles, crumbly bits. And then you want to just crumble them on top of the cream layer, and then you're done. So now that is your finished cake. As I said, it is quite traditional but not boring, so I think this is a fun thing. You can spread a little bit more of the cocoa powder on top to give it a little bit more of a fancy look. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you give it a try. I hope you still stay healthy and safe. Now we'll talk to you soon. Bye.